good afternoon there. We're going to make some Maine blueberry muffins. And here's the recipe here, and I'm going to be inserting it in the video so you will have it. So let's get started. It's a hot, muggy day, and I've got my oven on 400, so I'm sweating bullets. Okay, let's go. Make sure your hands are nice and clean, and they are. I got some water here because I'm thirsty. Okay, we need 1 egg. You want to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. You want to grease your muffin tins, but I chose to use some Scooby-Doo paper liners. Okay, you want to beat your egg lightly, which I've done that already. Right here, you want to beat your egg lightly. Then you want to stir in the milk, and I have that right here, and the oil. Then once that's all in, clang, and I'm not a clanger. Okay, you want to just mix it in just a little bit. You just want to incorporate it, just like that. And then it says you want to mix in the dry ingredients until the flour is moistened. Okay, so, and the batter should be lumpy. So we've got 1.5 cups of flour, right there. We have sugar. Right here, 1/2 cup of sugar. And baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I use pink Himalayan salt. Let me get, everything is so humid. I'm gonna shut all the windows and put the air conditioner on. Goes a pink Himalayan, just like that. And now you want to stir it in. So I'll use this spoon right here. I've got a couple of different things here. Just like this. I hope everybody's having a nice day today. Some places in different states, I saw school was starting. And I think my friend Charlene, her 2 boys go back to school next week in West Virginia. And my grandkids go back at the end of the month. There you go. You want it just like that. You want it lumpy, you want it moist. Just like that. You want it, you don't want it real wet. So what I did is when I work with blueberries, I put about 1 teaspoon or 1/2 teaspoon, depending on how many blueberries you're using, of flour in with them. And what I do is once I put the blueberries in, I just go like this and I coat them so they don't stick together. Put a little bit in at a time and just fold the blueberries in. Just like this. Whoops. There goes a few Maine blueberries on the floor. Oh well. Guess we can stick that one in. I'm barefooted. I might have blue toes. That's okay. Nothing's gonna hurt me. Then this is the rest of it, just like that. There. We have it all in. I could have got a bigger bowl, but I didn't. I wanted to make sure you guys could see what I was doing as I was doing it. You just want to incorporate those blueberries right in, just like this. I've sent many of these cards out, these recipes with a Maine Wild Blueberry muffin recipe on it, to different folks. When I see them, I buy them because they're not easy to find. And the recipe is really, really good. There, I've got all the blueberries in. I want to show you what it looks like. Doesn't that look good? Now we're going to take it and we're just going to scoop it in, just like this. It says fill the tin right up, the batter. So we're going to do that. Oh, I love the smell of fresh blueberries. I'd like to have gone back and picked today, but Ray had to get his tire fixed on his tractor. So the tractor guys were here today fixing that, mending that. So what's everybody up to? How's your garden growing? You can leave me a comment down below and let me know. I'll have to take you through a walk through the garden. Things are growing here. We're getting a few tomatoes. And this looks like it's going to make 12. Nice and good. Perfect. I love it when a plan comes together. Oops. Don't want it hanging off the sides here. And then we're just going to top it off with some sugar, crystal sugars. There's just a little bit more in here. A little dab of do ya. I just make them ones that I think need just a little bit more. Just like this. And I'm gonna call it good. The stove's all ready. And then I'm just gonna put the sand and sugar on. I'll show you. I use these crystallized sugars. What I do is I just take it like this. If you don't want the extra calories, you don't have to put them on. It doesn't say you have to. I just like it. Even though I am watching my calorie intake, it's gonna be yummy. Instead of eating 6, I'll only eat 1. Okay, I will bring you back when I take it out.